Now you're back. Chain don't go any higher.
That's it?
If you had a better bungee cord, it would go up higher.
The shorter one?
Well, that one's all stretched out. I just picked that phone. I'm not doing it again.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start this thing up. Where's my screwdriver at? Excuse me. Okay.
Ready?
Little choke or not?
Yeah.
Fuel on?
Yep.
Crank it. Give it a squirt. Why don't you give it some gas when you're cranking on it? Smell it? That's where you had it. You had it over there. I leave it out a quarter of a turn. Now you don't smell it. The oil. It's pumping?
Huh?
Got any bubbles in there? Is it pumping?
Yeah, it's pumping.
Okay. Alright, cut it off. Something has a cam in it.
Yep.
Has it got a cam in it?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
High compression.
So I leaned it out just a tick.
Yeah. Lean it out more?
Yeah.
That was already lean. On the low, you mean?
The idle mixture. Different air conditioning whenever you adjust it was. So I'm going to mark it this time so you know where the hell you're at. I don't know why you didn't mark your screw before. So right now that's straight up.
Yeah, the mark is.
Mm-hmm. See the mark?
Yeah.
So you had it. When I started, it was over here, I think.
Yeah.
Like that position.
Going in and leans out a
Right
little
there, and you get over here, it starts dying. So
Yeah.
that's where it wants to be. And you go right to here, you can start smelling it being a little rich.
Mm-hmm.
Put it back over here, the richness goes away on the smell, and you're good.
What's about the other adjustment
So,
you're doing? Isn't there another adjustment you did?
So you can see the black's a little bit hard to see, but it's there.
That's it, yeah.
So if you got a little yellow dot or something like that, or orange or something, you see it a little better.
Well, my paint pins I gave you.
I don't know.
You don't know.
So if you put a little dot on there, you can see better. You'll see where it's at. What?
Paint pins and a little dot. When I torque a bolt on the race
All the
car, I
stuff
put
that's
a
on the
dot
floor right there that I put somewhere else.
Mm.
Where all that pins and shit were at.
Yeah, probably.
There might be some in my drawer over there too.
Oh, that's the idle right there, then, huh?
That's the idle mixture.
Mixture. Oh, that's the idle down here, then.
Speed's down here, mixture here.
Okay.
And this one here off the side, your accelerator pump. So right, it's turned down pretty far. It's why it died when I just lightly blipping it. But it's cold right now too. So anyway, the valves aren't ticking.
No, that's a good thing.
So if you don't have any problem with the valves, leave them alone.
Yeah. That was right there on top of it.
It's got oil on my box. He didn't
What
wipe.
I got.
He didn't wipe my oil off. That was my favorite box. It's been defaced.
Piece of gasket material in there too.
Oh my! It's got gasket material on my box. It goes in the trash. Trash is over here. That was my favorite box. I was going to put clean Harley parts in there after I
You still can.
clean my motor up. Harley brake calipers. Thought you put good ones on this bike.
Those aren't good ones. They're Harley Brembos.
And what happened to the ones you had on it?
Tokitos?
You had those
These are
fancy.
better bricks.
You had those big dollar ones you had on there.
No, well, I never had none of those real good ones. The real Brembos.
But you had those radial mount things on there.
Those are ready. Yeah, I did. At one time, I took off for these ones.
Looks more stock. You got
Yeah,
the
original
fancy
parts.
one, fancy one back there.
The one I make for the rear, though, they don't make one like it has a bracket built into it and shit.
I've got the style rotors. I got the calipers go to match that on here.
For the rear?
The
One of
front?
those?
Well, they're front calipers. But put them wherever you want. Yeah, that's, I got them off the Triumph Triple Speed Sport
Is
thing.
that a radio mount one?
Yeah, that's what I use on my. I'm gonna put them on my panhead.
That's right.
Yeah, they were orange color,
Yeah, I remember that one.
yellow
time.
color, bright yellow. They're Honda. Honda. I think they're Honda. They're
These are a Kawasaki one.
Trica, Tricos. Yeah, but Tricos are Honda, aren't they?
Those are Kawasaki.
Yeah.
Tokiko.
Tokyo, yeah, those are it. Those are Honda calipers. But I got them off of Triumph, so they're not Jap, they're Triumph.
Where's Brembo's made at? Italy?
Italian. Well, that's the company's from, whether they're made there or not, I don't know.
I think that's, yeah.
It's kind of shiny on this side. How come it's not leaking oil all over the place?
Well, we don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Alright, so let's get this out of here and go take it down the street and don't run the piss out of it, just run around and ride around. Shit happens. We'll be back. Yep, work my butt off.
I mean, it's gone that way.
Alright, so it ran good, you said?
Great.
Ran great.
Second gear, lift the wheel off the ground like nothing.
It does that anyway, didn't it?
Huh?
It did that anyway, doesn't it?
It's a little easier this time than normal.
Oh. So let's make another 20 horsepower, you think? Good. We'll see. Get used to it.
No drippy oil underneath it yet.
Oh, I don't know how much it dripped before, so.
It takes overnight, you get about a dollar bill size.
We had it all cleaned out, so it has to build up again before it starts leaking.
Yeah.
Alright, so runs good.
Yeah.
No valve clatter?
No. No, so at first, one time when I first took off,
Yeah.
I had a little bit of clatter, but it went away.
Went away? Alright. Well, they're roughed in.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's all good.
Well, ride around, see what happens, and see if there's any difference.
Yeah.
Luke's bike made no difference at all.
No.
Nope, none. There's a drip down there. What's
Could be
that?
from before.
Look at that. Look at that big spot. Look at that.
It could have been the
Terrible.
hose.
Could have been Joe. Joe was leaking. Oh well, it'll get over it. All right, well, there we go. We'll see what happens here down the road.